Hello, welcome to Ekidel. We are a twin future civil and structural engineer. My name is Justice Omoka and I am your instructor. Today, I will be showing you how to optimize your structural drawing after you are done with your design on Prota Structure. Okay, so if you look at this right now and you're very familiar with this drawing here, with this shape of this drawing, you will see that this is a complete course that or video that we did on our YouTube, which is the design of hostel building. Now, basically, as you know, that we train basically using a live project. So this project is a live project, and we have completed the structural design. As you can see that we have completed the structural design starting from the raft foundation layout. As you can see that right now, all the way down. You can see the columns and how the columns are done, and also you can see the raft foundation slab detailing, and then you can also see the beam um, detailing and all that, and all the way down to the staircase detailing. Although we use a different software for the staircase, which is Caseysoft for the staircase detailing. But now the main reason for this video is to show you how to arrange your drawings and how to perfect your drawing after it is being extracted from the software Prota Structure. Okay, so that will take us right now to the Stonebridge detailing template. Now, a Stonebridge template right now is basically a customized template which is used to perform structural detailing after you are done with your design on Prota Structure. Now, how does this Stonebridge works? Now, Stonebridge works perfectly because that drawing which I just showed you now, we use Stonebridge template to now perform and optimize all our drawings and all that. So how does Stonebridge work? Stonebridge basically, this template version works perfectly for three softwares: Staadpro, Prota Structure, and Orion. So basically, this interface here, which is this area here, is for Prota Structure, and this is for Staadpro template, and this is for Orion template. Okay, and this is your bar bending schedule. Now you can see that on this place right now they have different building types, like building done with a pie foundation, building done with a raft. So if your building was modeled with a raft foundation or part foundation or pie foundation or part foundation or that white slip, you just pick the kind of foundation that you use for your structure. Now all elements, both columns, slab, beams, and all that are here. These are just the names given so that you can be able to know yourself. So right now on this place now, let me assume that I did a building on a pad foundation and I want to perform the what detailing optimize. So I'll just click on this place right now and open a pad foundation template. So basically these are templates to perform a good structural detailing of what I just showed you now, because you know that the software doesn't do a good detailing, which is the Prota Structure. It doesn't bring out a good detailing. So once you click on any of this, right, it will open up the template for you on AutoCAD here, as you can see it right now. So I'll just quickly maximize this was just now. Now this is now a template for what? For pad foundation. Now if you now look at, you can see how your drawings are arranged. This is just a sample showing you how your drawings are meant to be arranged or will be arranged once you're done using the Stonebridge as you extract your file from Prota Structure into this Stonebridge template. So you can see that this is now a pad foundation, showing you how a pad foundation is meant to look like and everything, and then showing you also a pad footing and other, showing the number of everything, and then your column details too, which is tied to the footing here, as you can see that, all the way down to the roof. Okay, now you can see that once you come to this now, you will now see this empty box here. This is where you're meant to paste all the drawings that was extracted from Prota Structure. So right now, let me go and open any of the versions of Prota Structure file that was extracted. So I'll go right now to my document folder. I will minimize this again, to my document folder just now. Let me open now document folder. Now on document folder just now, I will now go all the way down, and then I have different all the Prota Structure version. I have 2018, 2021, 2022. I use all of them perfectly. So I will now come here right now. Let me try with 2018 first. Okay. Now if I open 2018 now and open a file that was started from 2018. Now once the file open now, you will see that this is how Prota extracts its structural drawing. Okay, so this is how basically drawings are being extracted from Protastructure. And if you can print your drawing like this, I'll bear with me that your drawings will be very, very dark, and it will not be standard to how drawings are meant to be. And what makes you a good civil or structural engineer is when you have done a perfect design, you also produce a perfect drawing, just as you can see how my drawings is here. And you also arrange the drawings so that it will not cause confusion aside, because a good design but a bad drawing or a bad detailing can cause a building to collapse. So once you perform a good design on Prota Structure, you are also meant to perform a good detailing. That is why the Stonebridge template came into existence, to be able to guide young engineers on how to arrange, on how to give a good standard drawing. Now, once you are done with your design here, and then I'll just go right now, highlight all your drawings that came out from Prota Structure, and then copy it to the Stonebridge template. I'll just copy it right now, and then copy it to the Stonebridge template here. Okay, right click here right now, and then come here and then paste. Now once you paste it right now, automatically everything will just transform. Okay, everything will transform. I'll just paste it now, transform based on how it's meant to look like. Okay, so right now, if you now zoom in right now, you can now see how your drawing is here. Now this is now your drawing here on Stonebridge template, and this is your drawing that was extracted from Prota Structure. Okay, you can see that there is a big difference based on the beam detailing first. There's a big difference. This is your beam detailing here, and this is the one that is on Stonebridge. You can see that there's a big difference here. And then also, if I just come here now, then look at the path footing here. This is the path footing that is on what? That is on the that is on the Stonebridge template, and this is the path footing that came out from Prota Structure here. You can see that. Now, by the end of everything on this Stonebridge template, this is how your path footing is meant to look like here. Okay, so this is just the first step which I'm just taking you right now by you pasting first. So only pasting alone can help you optimize your drawing a bit. As you can see that right now, this is now your beam details for the roof. Now this is your beam details that came from Prota Structure here. This is your detail here. Now the whole idea is that the Stonebridge helps you to give you a standard method of drawing, okay, based on compared to what was on this place before. Now if I now want to now change, you can see that it has changed this text here to a standard scale compared to what was here before. If you can print this one here, your drawings will be very, very dark, and people will not be able to see your drawings during the construction, and it will bring a lot of question and to make you look as if you don't know what you're doing as a civil or structural engineer. Okay, so right now, if then once you paste it right now, you still have some works to do, but it has just reduced your workload to at least 80%, and also gives you a standard method of drawing. So if I come here right now, then begin to work on my drawings here to now make sure that this what is here right now looks at exactly what is on this sample that was given to me here. Okay, this sample right now says that you can see that this has a different color. So if I now want to change to this color here, I'll just click on here right now, come to this place here, and click on my dimension here. Right click here and then say what similar, and then like see what ch, enter, and then I'll have to choose here. I'll come to this place that says dimension style. Everything will change right now automatically based on the dimensions. I'll come here right now that says dimension style here, and choose this other one here, 50. I'll choose the one that says 50 or 40. Sorry, 50. Come here and choose this other one here, and automatically right now everything will change. Just put your eye here how everything will change automatically in the next few seconds. Okay, that's fine. So you can see that everything has changed automatically, but right now you can see that everything has now changed to from what is here that came from Prota Structure, as you can see right now, to what is now on Stonebridge template. So you can now see how your drawings are, how your drawings now looks like on Stonebridge template compared to the one that came from Prota Structure. Okay, so although due to the time duration of this video, I will not be making all the videos on how to arrange your drawings and that, but to see other my videos, I have done many videos on this Stonebridge template a lot. It really helps civil and structural engineers a lot. So if you want this video, if you want this template, I would say you should check on the link down below and download this template. And how do you get that right now? Just quickly go all the way down to the video description. How do you get this template? You just go right now to the video description here. Let me assume that this is the video because I'll post this video later shortly. Now, just go right now. Let me just assume that, let me just go back. Now, once you come to the video here, as you're watching the video, let me just change this right now. Just go quickly down to the video description here, and you will see this place that says to download the Stonebridge template. Click the links below. Now, if you click on this first link here, it will open up for you the Stonebridge where to purchase the Stonebridge template here. Now, on this place right now, you will see that it might be on USD as a default currency, which is dollar. Now, based on your own country currency, you can quickly come here and choose your country currency. You can see that they have different country currency based on Nigerian Naira, Euros, Ghanaian cedis, Kenya shillings, South African rand, Tanzania shillings. This is for Uganda shillings, CFAs, and then Rwanda. So you can just quickly choose any of the one you want to choose. If you're using USD, if your country currency is not here, then you can use USD. But the only thing is that you are meant to use a debit card for that. Okay. Now, if you are in a country that don't use debit card, like most African countries like Tanzania, Uganda, and all that, you can quickly come and choose your own country currency. Let me choose. I choose right now Uganda shillings. Now, by doing this right now, if I click on buy now, I'll be able to choose two types of payment currency. Just put in your name here. Just put in your name perfectly and your email address, which you are going to receive the file after you've done payment. And then come here and then click on what pay. Now, on clicking on pay right now, this page might take time to load. So just hold on, be a little patient for it to load. Now, once it loads right now, you'll be able to see two options here that says pay with card or mobile money. Okay, so you can now quickly choose mobile money here and then click on what pay. So you make sure you put your phone number, which the money is. As you know, there are some steps for you to pay mobile money. Sorry, there are some steps you are meant to take when you're making payment for mobile money. You must put the phone number that has this amount. Okay. So just put it right now and then click on what pay. Basically, this is not the amount for the Stonebridge template. I think this is what likely trying to pay for two products. Let me just check right now. I think it's paying for two products. Let me see. Okay, yes. That's one. Okay, that's for your country currency. Yeah, this is for your country currency. Now, once you go right now, then choose for this here and then click on put in your phone numbers just now. Okay, 0810-271-8717, and then come here, just put in your own country currency. This is my phone number based on Nigeria. So just put in your own phone number there, and then it will just go right now and then click on what pay here. Now, once you click on pay right now, then proceed. It will not take you to what to where you can put in. It will send you an OTP code to your phone, just as you always know, for you to validate the payment, and then put in your OTP code there. And once you put in your OTP code and then click on what just click on proceed. Okay, for validate OTP, and then once you do that, it will just you have just completed your payment. And then in the next few minutes, let me say 1 minute or 2 minutes, go and check your email address. You'll be able to receive the Stonebridge template automatically in your email address. Okay, so that's how to basically purchase for the Stonebridge template. Now, this step for mobile money works everywhere, works basically for any currency that is not dollar. Works for Ghana cedis, Kenya shillings, and all that. So this is basically how to purchase for Stonebridge. Now, if you want other versions apart from this, now comparing the versions here, it works in any AutoCAD versions and it works in any of the version of the Prota Structure. So it doesn't really mean that this thing here is the versions. No, it works in any kind of versions for AutoCAD or Prota Structure. Okay, and if you also need all other of our products, you can really click on this icon here. It will take you to our products here, and then you can pick on any one you want. For Camsys software, which is for staircase and staircase was designed. Then I've done many videos on this, so you can check about all our softwares here. Now, let me also walk you back to the Stonebridge template again right now. So if I open again the Stonebridge here, now, if I now go and try for other version of the software, let me try and use 2021 Protastructure right now. If I open this one now, 2021 now, and open for this now, let me open for this other one. Okay, so this Stonebridge template basically works for every version of what Protastructure and works for every version of AutoCAD. So if I copy this one now, this drawing was extracted from Prota 2021. So if I copy it now, right click now, and then go ahead and then say copy. Let me hold on for it to just respond. It's coming up, and then go now and then say copy here. Now go back to Stonebridge templates here, since it's still open. And this drawing is on Path Foundation, so I'll still use Path Foundation for it. If I come now here, come to this place now, and then come here and paste it again somewhere here, you see how it will also transform. So despite the version of Protastructure, it works perfectly for every version of AutoCAD and for Protastructure. Okay, I'll come here right now and then paste it here. Okay, and then hold on for it to now finish up. So just hold on like some few seconds for it to transform your drawings to how it is meant to look like. Okay, so let's hold on for, okay, so right now you can now see how all our drawings have now been transformed. The same thing again, if you want this dimension to change to what it is, as you can see it here, you just quickly want to come here right now, click on the on this dimension here, right click, and then say what, select similar, and everything will change automatically. Then type CH, and then come here on that CH now, just hold on for it to load. Okay, come here, dimension style here, and choose what, 50. Choose this on 50, no 50, not 25, 50 is okay for that. So you have to choose 50 for it. Hold on for it to change. It's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up. So this is basically how this Stonebridge works. Although I have done many videos on Stone, so I'll just quickly come here and choose, always choose 50. 50 is a good one, and it will make your drawing to print very, very neat. So choose 50, dim 50, and wait, hold on for it to change up. Okay, so once it has changed right now, then we'll now move on to the next steps, now show you what to do next. So basically it works for every version of Prota Structure. Okay, and let's hold on for it to load. Next, it's coming up, it's coming up, it's almost done. It's almost done. It's almost done. Okay, I think it's done now. So yes, that's fine. So I'll now come here and then close here. And then you can now see how your drawing has been transformed from what was here that came from Prota Structure here. You can see that. Let me start from the beam. From the beam now, this is how the beam looks like when it came from Prota Structure, and this is how it now looks like on the Stonebridge template. So you can now see that there is a big difference how this drawing has transformed all your beams, not only one, all the beams that you have. If you like have up to 100 stories, it will transform all the beam automatically in less than some few minutes and all that. So you can now see how your drawings are here. I can see how this drawing that came from Prota is. You can see that there's a quite difference from what you are meant to see. Okay, and also it's not only on the beams that transform all other structural elements. Let me go to the foundation area now, layout. This is for the beam layout here. Look at how it is now, and this is how it was when it came from Prota Structure here. You can see that it was here. Now I can also see how it is here right now. Okay, then go for the path footing here. This is the path footing. This is how it was when it comes from Prota Structure here. Let me show you right now. This is how it was here, and this height is now transformed to you guys here. And then also you can now see how it also is for column here. This is the one that came from column from Protastructure, and this is the one that it is now on the Stonebridge template. This is the column schedule right now. Now basically by the end of everything, which I'm done showing you. This is how your drawings are meant to look like and also arrange. You can see how the drawings are meant to look like. We have your cover page. The first thing again to have again is your notes, and then your foundation layout if it's a part foundation and all that. Now, if your building is not on part foundation, let me assume that you are designing for a raft foundation, and let me open a Protastructure for raft. Let me just open right now. I think I have one here. Let me say that this is, let me open one for raft. I think I have one for here. Yeah, this is for a classroom for raft. If I open the drawing now for a raft foundation, yeah, foundation here. Now let me assume that you did on raft foundation, and then the Stonebridge also powers a template. Now you can see that this beam now is a raft beam based on the depth 1.3. You can see that. So this is a raft beam now. So now you just have to now just do what, navigate to the Stonebridge template based on raft. So that's the raft beam. So I'll come here right now and say building on raft beam foundation here. So I'll click on being raft foundation here, and then to open the template for raft foundations, okay, and for building that was done on raft foundations and all that. So just hold on for it to load. It also have a steel template which is used for Prota steel. I can see that right now. So basically right now you can see that it has opened a template right now for raft foundation. I can see right now. So this is now a template for raft foundation. As you can see that. So if I now come right now and then paste my drawing here, this is a raft drawing that was done on Prota here. If I come now and paste my drawing, copy this drawing right now, copy it just now from here, copy, and copy my drawing right now that came from Prota based on raft foundation, and then come to the Stonebridge here and paste it here just now. If I come here right now and paste it here, it will transform in less than some few seconds for me automatically. You can now see how my drawings has been transformed automatically based on what was here on Prota Structure. You can see that, and based on what is here right now. And if I check on the beams too, you can see the beams also has transformed. Let me just hold on for it. Okay, this is how the beam has transformed based on what that came from Prota Structure here, as you can see it here, to what we now have here. So there's a big difference. You can see that there's a big difference now from this right now to this other one here. This is the one that came from Prota Structure, and this is the one that the Stonebridge optimized. So you can see that that optimized everything, and everything is optimized. Now, by the end of everything, by the time I'm done showing you everything, how this Stonebridge works, you'll be able to see your drawings arranged perfectly, something like this. You can see your drawings arranged here perfectly, and the sections for the draft also are all here, which is not on this one that came from Prota Structure. Okay, and then you also see how your beams are being arranged automatically. You can see how your beams are arranged. So this is how your beams are meant to look like by the time we are done. So basically, you have seen how Stonebridge works, and then I've shown you earlier how to purchase the Stonebridge. So even if you want the Stonebridge template, just click the link down below. If you want this Stonebridge template, click on the link down below, and then you'll be able to download the template, and then you'll be able to know how to use it using my videos and all that. So thank you so much, and God bless you. For now, I have shown you a lot on that, and then you can check all our videos, amazing videos on how to do other things. So basically, you can see how it works. The Stonebridge has a template for different type. This is for a part foundation, and this is for a raft foundation. Okay, so you can see how the raft looks like. You can see if you also check for the column for the raft, it's also different. This is column for raft foundation. You can see how the column is here for raft foundation. You can see how the column is, and how the column is here for a part foundation. So each template has its own type of structure. Now, this template basically works for every. Don't mind the way it is titled here by using foundations. It works for every element for part foundation. It works for foundation. It works for column. It works for beam, slab, and all that. Just as you can see, your drawings are here. So how your drawings are going to look like when you're done. Both the slab, it was for slab, as you can see the slab sections here. So you can see how it is done. I have done many videos on that. So if maybe you want to watch more about that before you can purchase, you can watch all my videos about the Stonebridge template based on last 2 years or last year, and watch all about that based on all the fashions which I have done. So thank you so much, and God bless. Now, if you have any question about what I have done so far, just just comment down below and I will reply you in less than some few hours or some few minutes whenever I'm available. Now, thank you so much and God bless you. Now, say that you should like this video and also share it to your friends and colleagues. And then goodbye for now. They will love you. Bye.